Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a YouTube upload or video on your channel in 2022 easily. Please like and subscribe. Let's get started by opening your browser. Type youtube.com. Go to picture icon. Click on YouTube Studio. Go to Content. Choose the video that you want to download. Click on three dots. Then go to Delete Forever. Check that box. Then click Delete Forever. Now you can see that it worked. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.